guys to another episode of, I guess, what's going on in the shop. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update. So, yeah, let's just show you guys around what's going on. So we have this Model Y here. Obviously, this has our essential package, which is pretty much the entire front end, the rockers, the rear doors. Pretty much done. Waiting for the client to come here to pick it up. Everything's clean, nice tire shines all done on it. So it's looking really good. Also want to show you guys the red calipers we did for it. So this is pretty much OEM looking. We even have the stickers, which is cleared over. And it looks really good with the white and the black wheels. So over on this side, we have the Model 3, which is getting an entire Expel Ultimate Plus protection film package installed on it. So you can see us wrapping up all the little edges, making sure that it's gonna last long. So this is just curing a little bit. And the A12 Superfast. So I wanna show you guys something really cool. This car is mostly done in a pre-cut. Most of the pre-cuts are obviously adjusted in our software. We take the time to make sure all the edges are nicely wrapped and tucked in. This way, it's not like our traditional type of protection film where we see all the edges exposed. This is really full wrapped. We want it to look OEM plus. And that's one of the reasons why we actually did the rear quarter panels custom. So it's all done by hand. The reason why is the pre-cut kit, if you guys notice, the rear quarter panel and the roof are actually one entire piece all the way to the back, on the other side, I mean. So the pre-cut actually had a seam that was right here. And I don't like that look where, even if we can make the seam really nice, really bothers me to have it there. So we did it custom, and we actually put the seam right on the top on a body line. This way it looks like it's one piece, and I'm super happy with how that turned out. Not sure if you can capture that. We'll wipe it down after. Actually, yeah, you get better shots of it after, I guess. But the entire car is almost done. Full PPF on the entire thing. Last thing left is the hood and windshield protection film that we're gonna install. But that's pretty much it. And I think I'm gonna smoke these. These look a little bit too orange. We'll smoke the front and the back reflectors. But let's go on the other side. We got a checkup coming in. So this is a routine checkup. If we've done any type of protection film on your car, we always invite you guys back after 2 to 3 weeks just for us to do a full checkup. Make sure everything is nice and tight. And if there's any issues, we're gonna address them immediately. So that's what this car is here for. So we did the entire protection film package with the mud flap installation, which is very common on these Teslas. And this is a Rolls Royce Dawn drop top. This car is straight from Las Vegas, and I think it's actually sold. The owner just put the wheels on, and it used to have a black wrap all on the chrome, and we actually removed all that wrap. So right now we're just waiting for some little things, and we're gonna do a full interior shampoo and deliver it to its new owner. So that's a really cool car that we got here. Also, if you guys are from the West Island, I'm sure you've seen these trucks or cars. This is for our friends at Northstone. They brought us their car to get it fully wrapped, so full wrap and lettering on the side. So if you have any commercial stuff that you guys usually like to do, we do commercial as well. And the guys right now are wrapping this Model S bumper. Teamwork makes the dream work. That's it. So this is the Model S P90D Ludicrous. It's getting a full 3M satin dark gray wrap on it, and then a full chrome delete, which is really cool. We don't have the lifts on this side yet. We're actually going to be installing the rest of the lights along the walls, and under every light we're going to put an outlet. So since we don't have the outlets, we can't put the lifts yet. That's pretty much why we don't have that. This is a cool little project. So Porsche GT3 front end, it's actually a Carrera. You just made it into a track package. It looks really cool. What we're actually going to be doing on this is actually the same color as that one, satin dark gray, which is a very popular color. So we're waiting we're not really waiting for anything right now. We're going to be disassembling the whole car, getting it wrapped. You guys will get to see that when it's done. Range Rover here is for interior shampoo, exterior detailing. In case you guys were wondering what else was done on it, we actually did an engine shampoo as well, because this is a car that's for sale, or I think it's actually sold already. So we do refinish cars that are for sale. Let me just find this thing. So motor's completely shampooed, make it look like brand new again. And we also did a hood protection film package on it. So full hood, we remove the emblems, put the film, reinstall the emblems, make it look like the film's not there, which is the point. And I think that's pretty much what we got going on this side. Oh wait, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll show you guys our little storage room. So this is almost done. This is gonna be our storage room. So we have compressor gonna be going in this corner. We're gonna be putting our window tints in here, microfibers, vacuum cleaners, all the little knickknacks that we didn't have in the other shop, like space to put, because we were limited in some space obviously. But now, since we have enough space, we built this. But not only that, we made it into a mezzanine. So if you come upstairs, we're actually going to be turning this top area into a production area for Gia. So he's going to be able to do all the cutting and all the protection film preparations so that we can install them on the car. So what's left right now is the flooring, then we have our rails, and obviously we got to pass some electricity, but that's pretty much it. That's super stoked to have this whole thing set up. It's going to be really cool. And I think that's pretty much it. That's what we got going on today. Yeah, I gotta get back to work. We have really, really busy months actually. So if you guys are curious about some pricing, or if you guys are curious when our next availabilities are, right now we are booking into May. Like I think we're into our 3rd week of May. So book early so you guys can enjoy your car for the summer. Give us a call, send us an email. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And also I think we're almost at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So I would really appreciate it if you guys just hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.